In Python, we can perform basic statistical calculations such as mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. We have built-in libraries that are statics and NumPy. So we will use them and see some basic statistical calculations. The first one is the statics. This is part of the Python standard library, and it has multiple statistical functions, and we will see how to use it. So the first step is to import the module that is statics, S-T-A-T-I, statics. So this is how we import the module. Then we create the sample data. So let's comment here and say sample data. So our data is like this. So it is suggesting me I can do tab, and this will work for me. And this is our sample data, and let's do the mean. So the first one is the mean, and we will say mean is equal to, so it is suggesting me, so we will write the name of the module and then the name of the function, that is the mean, and then data. Then we want to print this, and we will say mean, and let's find it. And what we have found is the mean of the mean, not the mean of the sample data is 3. And in similar ways, we can do median, and it is suggesting me again. I will just do temp, and we'll do the median of the data. And now it's very easy that now AI is suggesting me everything. I will do the mode, and I'll say M, and then type the tab again, and it's suggesting me as the mode, and the mode is 1 here. Basically, the mode was supposed to be the repeating value, but we do not have the repeating values. We just have 5 elements, and that's why it is giving just the 1. And then we have the standard deviation. It tells how the data is apart from the mean. We can see that statics.stdev, stdev is the function. And we will run this again, and we get the standard deviation to be 1.58, and all the numbers out there following after the decimal. And then we can do the variance as well. VARIANC. And it's suggesting me again. I'll do run. And these are the basic statics that we can do in Python. So the mean is the average of the numbers in the data set. Then we have the median. That is the middlemost value when the numbers are sorted in order. In this case, this is 5 numbers beginning from 1 to 5, not such complex numbers. So we can see that mean and median are 3 in this case. And the mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. In this case, that is 1. And then we have the standard deviation, that is the square root of the variance. And the variance is the measure of how far the numbers are split out from the average value. And the standard deviation is just the square root of the variance, and it provides the measure of the spread of the numbers. And we can also do the basic statics using the NumPy, and we can do import NumPy as NP, and then we can create the, let's use the AI NX, this AI for sample data, to do some basic, I would not say some, I would say basic statistics. Okay. And it'll give me some basic statistics again, and this time it is repeating the same thing. I'll say what's the using NUMPY, using NumPy. And in this case, it's creating an array. You can see that the array contains the parentheses, and then we have the big brackets inside. So it is the difference here. And if we run this, everything is same, and we get the same number. I think we're getting some difference in the standard deviation. Why are we getting difference in the standard deviation? It is 1.58. And here we are getting is 1.41. And the variance is 2.5. Why are we getting different values? Anyway, this is the way to do the basic statistical calculations. So the NumPy dot mean is for calculating the average. Then we have dot median for finding the median. And we have the standard deviation for dot std. And this is pretty much of that we're trying to do the basic statics. But there are so many other complex statistical calculations that further provides us meaningful values. But this much for now. We will keep learning. Thank you for watching if you have watched it. Thank you.